2, 1, dance! Gorgeous.
This is so hot, my mouth's on fire.
Hey.
This bitch empty! Yay!
There's another family that just and then they got all the people in the arms.
Really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this man. You called up.
Can you shut the fuck up for the rest of your life? You a dumbass bitch that tries too hard.
Say meow. Okay, now say
Lincoln Gills, man or dolphin?
Where'd it go? Oh my god!
Se masca la tragedia.
Surf and I are actually very close. We always have such a blast, right, Surf?
Hello, big boy. Hello, big boy.
Hey guys, I don't know what's cuter, you telling us not to wear so much makeup or you thinking that we wear makeup to impress you?
Hey, you're stupid.
No, I'm not.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
My name is Katniss.
Katniss! 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 Katniss!
A whole new world.
Dazzling place I never knew.
Sorry.
Yoga siempre vemos.
¿Por qué vos me grabas?
Quiet, you motherfucker! Oh shit! Thanks, buddy.
You can dodge a car, you can dodge a bullet!
You look like my Asian friend.
Who's that?
Ugly.
Shut the fuck up.
I really like you.
You better put a condom on your heart, cause I'm about to fuck your feelings. Hashtag single!
Fuck you. Fuck. Man. That's mad shit. That's mad shit. Do something else, man. Don't.
Go! Did you just say goals? What, was there a cute couple or something? Like relationship goals?
Let's go get some bitches!
Maybe if you wouldn't refer to women as bitches, we can actually get some.
You know, he does have a point.
Shut the fuck!
Babe, can you hold this for me?
Oh!
Really, nigga?
Why? How stupid can you be?
The most decorated Olympian of all time. Take your mark.
Life is just so much better when you don't care. Like honestly, like I don't care. I don't care.
Do the light skin face. Hey, do the light skin face. Hey, do the light skin face. Hey, do the light skin face. Hey.
I did not mean to do that.
Lena, do you love me?
No, I love this juice box better than you, biatch.
Shit prank.
Excuse me, can I go to the bathroom? You had lunch 5 minutes ago. Well, maybe I didn't have to go fucking 5 minutes ago. I can't do it!
I can rap off the top of my head, that's why it's called the freestyle. I can also get on my knees and suck your dick for a while.
Shut the hell up! Shut up! Shut up!
What?
Bro, what the fuck? Ah! What?
I want it.
Mama, there you go. Get the. Oh my god. Bitch.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a
She been following me around the store the whole time. There she goes. She think I'm stealing.
Good morning, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
What if my nose was? Wow, I'm Squidward.
For my science project, I have created an invention using just these materials. Let me demonstrate.
This is not.
Alright, let's do this.
Down!
Watch this, Annie.
Oh my god, look at this picture. Goals. 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 Goals.
How does that feel, huh?
Na 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 na. Na 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 na, yeah.
That fool lame shit, I ain't with it. I sent some shots at your fitted. Ratata. Swag, bitch.
What's funny to me is that I trusted you.
Doesn't really seem like you find it that funny.
No, it's hilarious. It is. It's funny to me. When I'm alone and I see a spider, I'm with a girl. Don't worry, babe. I got it.
Wow.
I don't feel like driving!
Fuck you. Oh my fucking god.
Put me in, coach!
You gotta unlearn. Right, yeah. So the director says, okay, when you put your
Y'all felt that turbulence?
Yeah. Is everything alright?
Hey, I don't know, but text me if you make it though.
Oh! Oh!
Hold up. Hey, all my niggas who be thinking we saw.
Go clean your room! You're not my dad! Put on Batman!
Barely. Hey!
The devil is alive. The devil is alive.
Look back at it, look back at it. Then I put a fat rabbit on the crack medic. I am so.
All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. All you ladies pop your pussy like.
Turn it up.
So what do you think about space travel? I don't speak Spanish, so say your name?
Why?
Just say it.
Mary!
Swallows!
I'm gonna fucking beat your ass! I'm gonna hit. Oh, are you okay?
I'm so sorry.
But at my school it's like, you a hoe, you a bitch, you think that you cute as shit, you a thought, you think you hot, oh no no no.
I don't even know it.
I'm feeling your bitch! I'm feeling your bitch! She's sucking my dick and she loving that shit! That's why she my bitch! My bitch!
Why were you watching?
straw?
Yeah. No, tell her be like, look at...
Look, I spoke Italian. Here we go.
It's too heavy, blood. I'm not wet.
Stop a motherfucking riot, bitch. She's laughing and you can't even deny it. What?
Yo.
This is my jam!
You know where I could find the extra small condoms?
Right over here.
Alright?
Awesome move.
Have anybody ever tell you you look like Beyonce?
Nah, they usually tell me I look like Shalissa.
Who the fuck is that?
Me, nigga.
What do you think I'm about to ask you to?
Homecoming?
What you guessed it?
I made you a sandwich.
Oh, yeah, I'm not that hungry.
You sure you're not hungry?
Yeah, Grandma, I'm not hungry. That was the best sandwich I ever had. Boom.
Kidding me, dude? I got fucking puke all on my fucking shoes.
Did you miss me?
Where are you?
I drew a giant pain.
Hey man, how's it
What's
going?
up?
I don't know, buddy. Why don't you try it out?
Club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut and she choose.
Who the fuck made this goddamn burger? This burger nasty as fuck, dude. What the fuck wrong with you?
Slut?
Do you believe in magic? In young girls.
Is that a zit? Oh!
Don't touch me, I'm up.
Good evening.
Happy llama, sad llama, possessed llama, sleeping llama, annoying ass motherfucking llama.
Hey, you smoke weed?
A lot.
Why you acting like a creep just standing there? Nigga, what the fuck? Don't touch me. Nigga, don't touch me, bitch.
Yeah, she's in the car. I'm gonna take her to the vet right now.
Fuck the police coming straight from the.
Speak.
Freestyler.
No flex. No.
Put him in a coffin.
Oh.
Photo. No.
Hi.
Okay.
To all you haters out there,
Fuck you!
I'm lost.
Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? Yeah.
That's my jam, bro.
him in a coat.
Put him in the car.
Oh!
You okay? You okay?